Welcome back, guys. It's Kids Fighting Around here, and today we're back for another video of Scratch. So in this video, we'll be working on the Mother's Day card. So as you know, that this is version 2, and that I will be doing the Mother's Day card because I haven't finished it completely. I mean, I added some new things, new concepts into the game. So yeah, that's why I made a version 2 of the Mother's Day game. So Mother's Day is tomorrow, as you know, and also thank you for our 1-year anniversary. We have made this channel for 1 year now, and it's been 1 year, and yeah, today on May 8th. So yeah, thank you for all your support on the other videos. So anyways, I'm going to show you the demo. So first, click on the green flag, of course, and then it plays Xylo 1, like the one I used in the other one. So I'm eating gummies right now, so okay, so I'm going to change the flower color. So you can change the flower color. That was in the last video I also made, the flower color. That's my favorite flower card color. Message. You can write to KCP and it'll be and it'll show up there. That was the last one, and you can click done now. Some people might have seen my project already. And you click on the scissors, and then you can move it all around. If you do not click on it, it cannot move. And you can cut the flowers. It'll go in the base. These flowers on the left and the right go to the sides, but this one goes in the front, which makes it in the front and says Happy Mother's Day 2021 to KCP, the flower, and these flowers. As you can see, it's randomized flowers. Let me do this real quick. So done. As you see, it's randomized like last time. I don't know what I got, but I know it's randomized. So we are at our old project. I just renamed it right now. Mother's Day card version 2 teaching. So I just renamed that like right now. So we're gonna be working on this. Xylo 1's playing. This is the original one. And that's it. This one was pretty plain, so we decided to add the new version 2. So it's up. I'd advise you to do version 2 because it'll be better and it'll enhance your game. So first we need button 3. Place it around here. And we also need to rename it. Not rename, but we need to add text on it. So white text. And we're gonna name it done. Oopsies, I put on caps lock. Done. In handwriting. Done. Yeah, done. Yeah. So yeah, and now we're gonna position this button. Move this out real quick. Position this. Oopsies. Position this button in the middle. I don't even know why the buttons are never in the middle. Well, I think that's for all sprites. You put the done in the middle. So there, we got the done button. And I just finished my gummies, so you won't hear any chewing noises. So anyways, we're gonna keep on going. So the done button is what we need to make all the scissors and everything that can make the world better. So we need the show. And when this sprite is clicked, broadcast new message, go to garden. And now we're gonna hide. So there we go. We have a button called done. And now we gotta work on the scissors, the garden flower, the garden flower, and the garden flower, which are the 3 flowers that you cut. So, in the vase. So after we have to put all of this in, I'm pretty sure I have this in my backpack. No. Wait, hold on a second. Okay, so, but if you do not have it, you can download this from this project. I mean, my last project, the one I already shared, or the Google Drive. So yeah, we'll do that. Just some technical difficulties. We got the scissors and everything in right here, so we just gotta click the upload sprite. I have all this stuff, so I'll be blurring this later. So we have scissors 1, vase sprite, and yeah, we have them too. So yeah, we have the vase and the scissors. So now we're gonna be working on the vase. So we have to make the backdrop. So the backdrop is the where it switches to the garden when you go to garden. So it will be when I receive, it'll switch costume to the first backdrop, which is this clear blue backdrop. And you gotta select a backdrop called Garden Rock. After when you selected that, you have to go to when I receive garden, then it will switch costume to Garden Rock. So as you can see, right now all these bases and stuff are shielding me, but click done, look. We still have this on, but we're gonna change that later. So we have to work on the vase and the scissors next. So the vase should be fairly simple, but we also have to put the sprites, the flowers, all the different costumes of the flowers inside all 3 of them. So we just have to duplicate the flower 3 times. I'm gonna work on hiding all these sprites when done is clicked. So I'm just, because it has a very small amounts of code, so that's better if I do that first. So when I receive, go to garden, it will hide. Oh, I already put that. When the sprite is clicked, no, wait. Oh, this is the done button, never mind. The done button, we have to go to the card and then we will start working up from there. So card, it'll go to the back layer, so show, and then since if you're in the garden, we added the show, so it will show. And then when I receive go to garden, it will hide. Yes, hide. And after that, it will go when I receive the back to card. Oh yeah, back to card is gone for now because we don't have that yet. So we have to do show on this one. No, wait. There's already this on here. So let's just put the sprite and put this. So when the green flag is clicked, I hate how it zooms out when you just put the block in. It'll show and then it'll go to garden. And it will hide. And then now we're gonna work on the flower. This flower, yes, the flower. And then we're gonna do when the green flag is clicked, it will show. So we have the flower, and when I receive go to garden, it will hide. And then you just have to do this to basically all of the buttons. So I'm just gonna drag this over there. Yeah, I'll just do that. And I'm just gonna drag this over there. Yeah, and then we got everything we need here. And then I just drag this over here. Yeah, right there. And then that's what we need over there. So yeah, go to garden and right click. Yeah. Oh yeah, and we also need to make this thing go to the front layer. To show. And when I receive go to garden, yeah. Yeah, this thing also needs that. We didn't need that. Never mind. I was looking at the wrong thing. And then the card color. Yep, we have that. And this thing. Go to garden. Let's just drag this right on. We also. Ooh, I already dragged 2 in. Okay, so go to front layer and it'll show. It'll go to the back to card. We're not doing that yet. So when I receive, go to garden. And we have everything. Here. Yes. And yeah. You have to hide the variable. So then when I receive, because there's 2 variables. There's the button and the variable, and then you have to hide the variable so you can't see it anymore. So I'll hide variable message. And it will hide. So we have that done. And then it'll that's all we need right now, and yeah. Oh yeah, and also this, we also have to set message to mom. Let me show the variable because we were hiding it earlier. So show, and then it'll show. And now, that's all we need. Okay, so let's just work on the flowers and all this stuff next. But let's look at this. As you can see, done. All of it's gone except the vase and the scissors because I didn't do that. And now we gotta put the duplicates of the flowers. These flowers, yes, these flowers. So we're gonna make 3 of these. 3 of these, and each of them can be named a different thing. Like in my original, I think the name was Garden Flower 1 for the first one. Garden Flower 1. For the second one, you guessed it, Garden Flower 2. Then the third one, Garden Flower 3. So yeah, try to reduce the spaces. Actually, put them. Because I'm so used to typing those things. So anyways, we're gonna put all of that together, and yeah. So yeah, we have the garden flowers, and now we're gonna work on garden flower 1. So when the green flag is clicked, oh yeah, we don't need any of this code. Not a single bit of these code. Or this one. Delete all 6 blocks. Delete all 6 blocks. Look, now we can go back to garden flower 1, and as you can see when I drag this in, and you need it to hide. So you gotta go, when I receive, go to garden, it'll point in direction 90. Oh, and I'll go to a position I have it at, some coordinate, -21, +10. -10 I meant, not +10. And go to the front layer. So that's what I have for this one. Go backwards 1 layer too. One layer. So it will be in front of the back. It will be in front, but not almost in front, if you get what I mean. Like it will be behind the vase, but in front, behind the scissors as well, but like it's still in the front layer. So then it'll switch costume to any of the pick randoms, 1 to 10, and then it will show. It will go forever. And you need it if then the scissors and mouse down. Touching scissors and mouse down. So that means if the scissors is on it, and when the mouse is down during it, when you click this, you hear this, that means it will cut. So yeah, we have mouse down, and yeah, we do that. And it'll change flower cut by -1. So let's just do this real quick. Flower cut by -1, because you need 3 flower cut, and we're just gonna delete take that out for now. It'll start sound low whoosh. So we have a sound low whoosh. Yeah, low whoosh. And now we're gonna glide to the tricky block of the tricky block plus 150. So the tricky block is this one. We need 2 of those, but first we need to go glide 1 second to X position of the vase, so they'll be on the vase, in the vase. So we got to change the back. You guys probably get the deal by now. Vase, X position, and duplicate. And instead change this to Y position. Oh yeah, we also need the plus 150, like what I said. Yeah, to make it go up a little bit, because it will be directly in the center, but if you do the plus 150, it will be hanging out of the vase. So that's what we have right here. And we're gonna stop this script. So I forgot to code the scissors, so I'll be doing that next. So the scissors, and we have the scissors, so we're gonna code on the scissors, and it has some code. So when the green flag is clicked, it will set flower cut to 3. So because there's 3 flowers, and that's when you make the variable, but I made the other flower first. And then I'm gonna go hide, and then let's go to the garden. And that's when he starts showing. So I'll go to -106, -100, and it'll wait 0.1 seconds. So this wait is for if the scissors will go in the front layer, because if you go to the back layer, you'll be snipping the flowers from the back. So we need the 0.1 second wait so it will be in front of the flower and everything else. So we have this, and wait 0.1 seconds, so it'll go to the front layer, and it will show. Now we gotta wait until, so this wait until, let me code this real quick. Wait until you need an and. So it's touching the mouse pointer and mouse is down, which is if you click on it, you can start dragging the scissors all around. And we have that, so it'll go forever. So this has to be there to make this script work. Not this script, but like this forever loop. And it'll go to the mouse pointer. And if then the flower equals cut equals 0, that means it will stop and go back to the card. So let's do this. 0 flower cut, hide, wait 2 seconds, broadcast back to card, and it'll stop this script. So we have that done. Now we gotta work on the rest of the flowers. So we're gonna test this. So we have this. So I accidentally didn't put the show on the button, so you need the show. on these two buttons. I already did it for the message. I accidentally didn't put that in, so show. And make sure you guys do it too, so make sure you guys put the show in. And now you can change the flower color and stuff. And now you gotta click the done, and then you got the scissors. You can cut the flower. Now go to the vase on the top. And now we gotta code the vase and then the rest of the flowers. So let's go with the vase. The vase, we have to code this, and the vase is when the green flag is clicked, it'll go to this position. It'll hide. When I receive, go to garden. Oh, show. So we have to put a little bit more code than that. It will go to front layer and then show. So it'll go to in front of the flowers, not the scissors, because the scissors has the delay, which means he'll go in front of the vase as well. So it'll go to front layer and show. And there we got it. And now we gotta work on the other garden flowers, which I'm gonna look at right now. So we're gonna do the left one first, which is this one. Yeah, it doesn't matter which one it is, but let's just do this. So the left one, which basically has the same code as this. So we're gonna drag all this code to the left flower. We just need a little bit change, and then that's all we need for this one. So we're gonna find the new position for this flower. So we're gonna drag it around here. And then put this on, and then we need to, instead of going to the front layer, we got to go to the back layer because it's behind the middle flower. And switch costume, yeah, we all got that. But then now we need this X position of vase minus 20 because it's on the left side. Vase minus 20, and the Y is the same, and stop. We got to make this turn to the left by 15 degrees. Yeah, right there. And there we got it. Now we gotta work on the right flower. So that was really quick. And there we go. We got this and this. And now we gotta work on the right flower, which is this one. And then we have to first make the show and drag it somewhere in the right, maybe here. So, and put this, find my new position, go to the back layer. Yes, go, you don't need to make it go backwards any layers. So let's put this back on, and then this one we don't need to make it go back any layers too. The left flower and the right flower. And then, so we have that, and then we need to make this turn the other way. 30 degrees this way instead. And instead of minus 20, we got a plus 20 because it's getting larger. And we got this. So we have this. So I'm gonna try to do this. So flower color, message, 2L, card color. Look, we have a bunch of, yeah, we're just in normal. And look, we have the scissors, and I just cut that one, cut that one, cut that one. So, and then we can start this all over again. We have to do it back to the card. So we need to do that. So as you can see, I made that, but we don't see our card. So we got to make it go back to the card. So we got to put the original things like the card. When I receive back to card, then it will show. And now I'm just going to put this for basically everything, except the buttons. This. And that's it. So let's just check if I have that. Back to card, back to card, back to card. So there we have it. Oh, I don't think I checked the hearts. No, I did. Back to card. And look, so let's look at this project. Okay, so as you can see, I'm gonna go snip, snip, snip. So, and the card will show up. So we're gonna do back to card for the message, like who you want to send it to. So we have this, and when I receive back to card, then it will show variable. We didn't need that. A show variable message. So you have that. And there we have it, our project. So let's do this. I'm gonna move the left flower out because it looks too close to the scissors, as you can see. Well, it's not too close, but if you have a different variant of a flower, it will be a little bit too close to the flower. So I'm gonna move it around up there, around the garden rock. So yeah, let's change the position to 190. Take that out, put that in, drag it back down. And there we have it, the thing. The Mother's Day card. So I'm gonna try to design my card. So flower color, I really like this one I made, and yeah, and then card color. My favorite color is blue, but of these I think red is my second, so I'm gonna take red. And then message to KCP 1 year. So KCP 1 year, yeah, that's where I'm sending the card. And then done. Then I'm gonna cut the flowers. Click on the scissors. I'm gonna snip them. And there we have it. We have the vase, and it says to KCP 1 year, Happy Mother's Day 2021. We have the hearts, and we have the flowers. So that's basically all we had to do in 27 minutes. So anyways, like, share, subscribe, and comment who you're gonna send this to. I mean, like, it could be Father's Day, and you could change this Mother's Day to Father's Day or something. But just comment in the comment section below who you're gonna send this card to. Oh yeah, we also have a Father's Day card video on our channel, so if you guys can check that out on our channel. And we have a Mother's Day now. So anyways, see you guys next time.